Hello everyone, we are Plugo. Today I'll introduce you about our project to everyone. Plugo was founded in March 2019 and is India's first smart and fully automatic mobile power rental platform. Our vision is to provide everyone with worry-free and affordable charging solutions. Plugo is easy to use, reliable, convenient and time-saving. Through a network of vending machine terminals connected to internet, users can now lift or drop the power bank anywhere during the journey. They can continue what they want without worrying about disconnections. Our goal is to reduce the lithium footprint by eliminating the need for people to own mobile power source and replacing lithium with shared mobile power economy. Over the years, Plugo has always adhered to corporate core values of integrity, responsibility, efficiency, and innovation, and effectively created a corporate culture of struggling as the center and continuously creating values for customers. Out of all, a value that helps solve customers' need. In June 2020, Plugo has launched India's first profitable power bank, which helped more unemployed friends bring jobs and income. In addition, Plugo has been verified by Google and is completely legal. And next I'll introduce you how to make money at Plugo. For this, first you have to download the application from the Play Store and then you can install it in your device. Now open the application, and if you have not registered on this platform, then first register and then enter your phone number, that is ID and password for login. So now you have get into on this application. And now in order to earn from this platform, first you have to recharge on this application. So for recharge, you can find a recharge option on the home page, or also you can go to the Me profile option, and from there you can click on the recharge for the recharge. For this, there are 3 methods available for performing recharge. You can select any one from them. Before proceeding for recharge, first you have to bind your bank account information. You can click on any one of this method for binding bank account information. This way you have to bind all bank account information like your name, bank account numbers and IFSC code and all these. After you have filled out all the required detail, click on the submission. Make sure you have entered the all information correctly, because you will receive your fund on the same information that you have provided. So now we can proceed for recharge. You can recharge through UPI ID or internet banking. Here I'll guide you to recharge through UPI ID. So here you have to enter the recharge amount, or you can select the recharge amount that you want to recharge. Then click on recharge immediately. And next to that you have to enter your UPI ID, or from here only you can use internet banking for recharge. So now I'll enter here my UPI ID and then I'll click on the pay, and then you will receive a payment request on your payment application. From there you can proceed for recharge. In the same way you can select other way for recharge. Here also you have to select the recharge amount and then click on the recharge immediately. Then you have to verify your email address and name, and then you can click on proceed to pay. From here you can select UPI card or wallet or net banking options for performing recharge. So here also I will select UPI option, and here I have to enter my UPI ID and then click on the pay. And now I will receive a payment request on my Paytm application. From there I will open my Paytm and I can proceed for recharge. So here click on pay, and then you have to enter the recharge amount and then you can proceed for that. Then you have to enter your transaction password, and then this recharge will be successful. And also you can contact online customer service for any transaction. So here I have done with my transaction, and now I'll back to the application and I'll check whether my amount is deposited or not. So here you can see the INR 500 INR is deposited, and now I can purchase power bank and I will get profit from that. The more I will invest on power bank, the more profit I will get every day. On the home page you can see different power bank options are here. You can buy according to your principal. And now let's see how you can withdraw the amount that is funded into your bank account. For that you can click on the withdraw money and then enter the withdraw amount. The minimum withdraw amount is 110 rupees. So enter the amount and click on a withdraw now. The amount will credit into your bank account. Money withdraw time is from Monday to Friday from morning 9 to evening 10 o'clock. You can contact the online customer service for any transaction. And now I'll guide you how you can invite your friends on this platform. When you will invite 5 friends to buy the power bank, then you will get 100 rupees. And when you will invite 50 friends to buy the power bank, then you will get 2000 rupees. The more friends you will invite, the more profit you will get from this amazing platform. Here, this is the WhatsApp number of online customer service. You can contact them. So you can find your invitation link here in the home page. You can click on today invitation and here you will see a copy invitation link. So you just copy the invitation link and share with more friends. So invite the friends to buy the power bank and you will get 10% cash reward. And also up to third level of different subordinate commissions you will get. So invite more friends and get the more cash reward from this amazing platform.